Tiger KE. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today guys, I'm somewhere I'm doing some phone repair on a beautiful shop here, you can see. Yeah, I'm doing a phone repair. And also, my video is live. I'm going live, you can see. Go watch this video because by the moment I'm uploading this video, this will be already gone, but go watch this video. It's about yesterday's vlog, you know. So go watch this video. It's crazy and see the reaction of people, how they behaved during World Cup match, you know. Final between Argentina and France. It's premiering right now. Okay guys, I'm somewhere, I don't know whether you can see. So I do come to repair my phone. Yeah. Also, yeah. I think today I'll tell people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In fact, I just need 200 subscribers for I to get 1,000 subscribers. Only 200. So please, if you're watching this and you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and I will appreciate a lot. Yeah, you can see the beautiful view of Nakuru town. Yeah. So let's go. Let me ask people whether they can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also you can see, yeah, the Tiger KE premiering here. So let me give a big shout out to Helen Akoya. Helen Akoya, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. So guys, you can go and check out Helen Akoya. You can see she's doing a very good work. She's sharing my videos like crazy. Big shout out to Helen Akoya. Go check out her YouTube channel. Thank you so much, Helen. Yeah. So let's go guys. So today guys, I'm walking inside CBD, asking people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Whoa, it's crazy like shit. There is nothing easy, nothing that will never come easy. So I'm just trying to tell people to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll show you the reaction of one guy, and you see it's not easy. Most of them will tell you, no, I don't do that. No, I don't know what is that. No, I don't watch videos. Whoa. It's hard. Very hard. Man, if you see someone telling you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please just do it, man. It will cost you nothing, but it will make that person feel great, you know. So guys, consider subscribing. Always. Aja bro, kuna smartphone? Sini subscribe para YouTube. Nah, tengeneza. Ya? Siwezi kurekodi. Naona nimepesi kwa barabara. Yangu sasa hivi zingine bundles. Ni hebu ingia wifi. I'm on 19. Yeah, I'm on 19. So guys, you can see the streets of Nakuru, how it looks like. Yeah. The Tiger KE.
Junior, pon mi ropa.
Iko sawa, nimesubscribe pia. Natengeneza video hapo. Hawezi jiona. Nataka kujiona. Oh, ama unataka kujiona pia. Hakuna mtu by the way. Hii video yako wenye wanaona watu sana. Kwa hata kuna mtu anaona video. Nataka kujiona. So guys, this guy just subscribed to my YouTube channel. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. He's a very nice guy. He just subscribed to my YouTube channel, man. You know? Niaje? Unaonaga YouTube. Unaingia kaya online. Nataka mtu anaweza ni follow pale YouTube. Subscribe. Yeah. Ditaiga KE. Ditaiga KE. Ha, si gumu nitakuonyesha. Enda. Sawa, utaonyeshwa na jamaa hapa. Wazi, asante. Wazi bro. So guys, you can see how hard it is to get a subscriber. So that guy wanted subscribers. Unfortunately, a customer came and he had to go. But all in all, you have to keep going. You know, I'm just walking around this place looking for subscribers. And now you have seen I have just found one live on camera. Let's see whether we can get more. Yeah. Relaxing somewhere, taking some juice, man, some fruit juice, very organic. So guys, today is such a tough day, you know. And ladies, let me ask you ladies, why do you refuse to subscribe to our channels? Today I've approached like more than 10 ladies, and none of them have subscribed to my channel. You know, I don't know the reason why. So girls and ladies, and yeah, let me just use ladies. Please subscribe to our YouTube channels, man. It will cost you nothing for it. Whoa. Feeling dusty like crazy, that's why I'm taking some fruit juice here. So, let me continue. Looking for subscribers, man. It's crazy, but I'm getting some slowly by slowly. Others are watching my videos, others are liking it, others are subscribing and leaving and saying, okay, and we go. But all in all, what I need is subscribers. Can you guys subscribe? Please, because the next video will be even more beautiful than this. I'm coming live from the streets of Nakuru. You can see how it looks like. I'm just sitting down here on a pavement. It's a very busy street, as you can see. The people have beautiful cars, but that's for government. Wow, it's gone already. You can see how busy the streets are. This place is known as Pinka or Safaricom. Yeah, where I'm coming like from Lina. I've been going around these streets looking for subscribers, man. It's epic like crazy, way. It's so tiresome, man. Maybe I've walked now more than 10 kilometers, just going around the same place. More than 10 kilometers. I'm feeling so tired. Oh. That's why I decided to take some fruit juice, you know. This is how the streets look like, you know. Now, these days, matatu have been allowed to take passengers from inside CBD. In some few, like, I think 1 year ago, we were chased away. But now they have been allowed for 18 months to use CBD. their business. And now, there looks chaos everywhere. Jam, very many crazy things are happening now. There's a lot of people allowed, you see. And now, but how busy the city looks right now. And for a truck like this to come inside this town, it's one of the craziest things to do in Nakuru. They are not allowed. Maybe that guy have paid a lot of money for that truck to be inside CBD. It's not allowed at all. You can go for a month without seeing even a Scott truck within CBD. Yeah. So let's continue looking for subscribers. We won't get tired. I hope this gonna turn out beautiful as time goes. And guys, let me ask you a question. What do you think about my YouTube name, The Tiger KE? What do you think? Can you comment down here if I change it to I Am Macharia? The Tiger KE or I Am Macharia? Or Travel with Ken? Travel with Ken, I Am Macharia, The Tiger KE. Which one is more better? Can you comment down here, please? I want to know. Oh, now let's continue with this channel. So I just want to say thank you for all of those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I've really appreciated it, guys. You are doing amazing work. I really do appreciate it. Now, the time has come for me now to go home. Whoa. But I'm feeling so tired, guys. I am feeling so tired like crazy. It's now time to go home. Let me see. Maybe before I get home, I'll have seen some few subscribers also. And I've shown you now, if you're starting a YouTube channel, you can go and tell people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. It works sometimes, you know. If you go, mostly men, approach men. Okay, if you are a guy, you can approach. No, I think everybody is a guy, you know. But if you are a man, you can approach men more, because women are kind of scared. I don't know why. They feel like you want to rob their items like phones or something, you know. But men have no problem with that at all. Yeah, so let me continue. Maybe if I have to see few people, they will subscribe also, you know. Yeah, so I'm back from where I started this journey. And I tell you, man, it's so tiresome, like crazy. This is Lion Gardens, you know. This is Lion's Garden. For those of you who have never heard of Lion's Gardens, this is it. You see how it looks like? Yeah. This is a huge town. A big one. You can take the whole day to go out this a simple town like this, you know. Actually, it's a city for now, you know. Yeah. Wow. So let me know. Let me plan how I will go home now. For those of you who are starting YouTube channels, you know what I mean when I say even finding a 1 subscriber, wow, it's one of the greatest achievements, you know. just a single subscriber is one of the greatest achievements you can achieve as a subscriber. But for me, for those who have subscribed, I really say thank you. You are amazing people, man. I really do appreciate, guys. You know, you are amazing people. So if you know you have not subscribed, please, you can still subscribe. The file is open for subscription. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. Now I will appreciate so much. This is the county council. I've been doing crazy things in this town. We have been chasing people up and down. You see? And in Kenya, once you are given a specific kind of a chance to serve people, I don't know why everybody sees like he is on top of the world. He can do whatever he wants, you know. Yeah. You can see how people are crazy. Now I'm filming my own videos and somebody is just asking me, like, what am I doing? But I don't care. So guys, this is where I've had my video. I've enjoyed. You have watched this video up to this part. I really do appreciate. I salute you. I say thank you so much for always watching my videos. I say thank you so much. Thank you so much. So let me see you in the next video.